Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello guys, welcome back to my collection. This is MK. Today I got some rare collection guppies from a importer. So let's unpack this and see what is in the bottom in this box. Okay, so this is my rare new collection in my fish tank. Okay, this packaging is really amazing. Here I have I don't this is tuxedo koi, I think. Yeah, it's called tuxedo koi. I will give you a next video with this. And this is also tuxedo koi. It's very beautiful, very demanding now, as market result is very demanding now. And I have one more little bag here. This one is, it's not guppy, it's snail. Yeah, it's assassin snail. If you don't subscribe yet, please subscribe my channel. I will give you a full video about this kind of fish and fish product. Many snails are died. Thanks for watching, friend. Please subscribe and leave a comment. Bye bye.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?